During these uncertain times, making sure you stay safe and healthy is one of our top priorities.
I'm Adam Foy. I'm President and CEO at Louisiana USA Federal Credit Union. We've been here since 1936. We have 32 employees. We were presented with an issue that I needed to deal with quickly. I contacted Guarantee Maid Services, and in no time they were here and they presented me with a resolution to my problem.
We've expanded our team at Guarantee Maid Services and have a group of trained professionals ready to fog your home or office to ensure the safety of your family or employees.
Defogging of our credit union really gave my staff a sense of safety, that I was taking care of them. It didn't take any time at all. It was next day service, first thing in the morning. We didn't have to do anything. They showed up, let them in, they were gone.
We are now offering an annual package of discounted rates for routine foggings throughout the year at your home or office. Our goal is to slow the spread of COVID-19 where possible and keep our clients and community safe. Whether you need to pass regulations, keep your employees or loved ones safe, or just want some peace of mind, we're ready to help. Call Guarantee Maid Services to get a quote and schedule your fogging today.